I shouldn't open from here. I should open from here. Hey, everybody. Adam Savage in my cave. Why would I even start talking like this? I'm so sorry. No, not that one. Oh my God. Hey, everybody. Adam Savage in my cave. And today we're doing some shop infrastructure. We're doing some shop infrastructure about blades, and specifically my blade drawer, which is in a terrible, terrible state. I think I might have I can't remember if I built this blade drawer on camera or not, but I'm now going to rebuild it. I'm going to rebuild it in the same way I built it, which is using foam core. But after years of using this bin, I now believe I know how this bin can be useful to me. And thus I'm going to pull this whole drawer out, put it on the workbench, and just work with the entire thing. Am I right about that? I might not be right about that, but we'll see. Yeah, I have a different idea about how to prioritize the blading of the blade drawer. Blades, surgical, single edge. Oh my gosh. All right. And this. Almost out of single edge razor blades. So here's the blades are all sorted out. Here is the key difference here. One of them is that when I did this before, I was kind of including everything and the kitchen sink. And frankly, that was more than I needed. I used a certain number of blades. I used straight edge razor blades. That's those guys. I use mat knife blades. That's those guys. Box cutter blades. Oh, there's other kinds of box cutters. I also use these long box cutters, snap knives as they're known, and narrow snap knives, and scalpels. That's it. And X-Acto knives, X-Acto blades. And that's a standard X-Acto blade. And I have a whole crap ton of non-standard X-Acto blades. But really what I realized is most of the time I'm open. This was not refined as a distribution source in any way, which means that when I opened it up, there was no intuitive, like what you see first, what you see second. I didn't have that idea back then, but now I do. Now I know that every time I go to this drawer, I'm most often looking for a blade. So I'm going to put the blades all across the bottom. Then above the blades, I'm going to put the handles that go with those blades. That's how I'm dealing with this one. Once I have the blades and their handles set out and I know where they all go, then I worry about the other blades and the other things. And I always included this one, this like super far out X-Acto blade handle, mat knife handle. I always included this in there because I love it, and also because this X-Acto knife handle is part of a science fiction tool from some series or movie. I can't remember which right now. I'm glad you remember. I just can't. So I'm going to keep that in this drawer just for nostalgia. Nostalgia. Oh my God, I do. Is it? Nope. Those are 24s. These are 10. Okay, those go home. And then there should be. All right, I'm missing one rotative blade. Anyway, so now I'm going to recut this out of foam core, fire up my glue gun, and make another shelf for blades. All right, let's see here. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is one of my modes of organization is I lay out everything as I think it's going to go. I take a picture of it, and then I slowly layer back in everything. But I'm going to gain some efficiencies when I start to actually put this stuff in. And I'm looking for those efficiencies. So I'm just basically going to take the picture and start to actually make my connectors starting in the corner and moving up. I know, maybe instead of describing it in the abstract, I will just do it now. Do it now! Gotta wait a few minutes for the glue to heat. All right. I think our glue gun is hot enough. Excellent. Play Where Is My Mind by the Pixies. Let us see what we have wrought. Oh, you know what? Okay, so here we go. I forgot some things that I said I was going to do. I forgot some things I said I was going to do. And then I remembered some things that I wanted to do. So we have here all sorts of assorted X-Acto blades. And I don't see the reason to have them all sorted and separated out. The chisels, the curves. The fact is, I go towards these so infrequently that the only ones that I need to call out, so these can all go in the same location. They can all go in kind of the same drawer. But then the curved ones go somewhere special. Put them over here for now. That's them. That's them. That's them. That's them. And these are the little tiny baby ones. Here. Great. And now I don't really have what I need. What is that? Oh, I don't quite even know. So, oh yeah, one more. So there you go. Yeah, and I know I said I would include a space for this. And I guess I can put it right there. I like the surrealist object in the middle, but I wanted efficiency this time. So this is a nice after. I'm very pleased. So we're going to move this here. I'll put this there. Great. Okay. I think we can put the drawer back. The reason you saw me sighing there is because the Allen wrench drawer is the next one that I've got to take care of. It's it needs a lot of help. Allen's. All right, but the good news is, I'm so sorry, all of this crap. But the good news is, blades are anew. We got scalpels, skinny snap knives, fat snap knives, super fat snap knives. We got your straight blades. We got your plex cutters, your round cutters, your box cutters, your mat knives, and your X-Actos. And life is pretty good. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with this. We got our scalpels over here, our single edge, our plastic single edge, our straight, our fat snap, medium snap, light snap, box cutters, plex cutters, round cutters, X-Actos, big and small X-Acto blades, box blades, snap knives, single edge, and scalpels. Yes. I know I just did that twice, but I figure that was for the editors. Thank you guys for joining me for this little bit of shop upgrade. Don't look at this drawer. Don't stop. Stop looking at it. See you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching that video. Your support allows us to make more of this great content. If you'd like to help us on a deeper level even, head over to tested-store.com because we've got stickers. Who doesn't love stickers? Our anime-inspired Tested logo in Japanese. Follow the process, not the plan. It's not a process. It's not a problem to solve. It's a process to manage. Other aphorisms that have come from my mouth. And we have just made a full set of our demerit badges in sticker form. So you can cover your toolbox with all of your screw-ups and celebrate it with other makers. Thank you guys so much. See you next time.